Yes. Yes. Okie dokie. Thank you.
In 600 feet, turn right.
And just watch this first few steps there. Very small step down.
Your shirt's all messy,
We do have a small sitting area on that bench right there. So it's like it's not being used. So if you want to use it, you want to use it. You can always change the right half.
Oh, you got that's like the
How much you have on the last
camera.
40. Yeah, really it's 55.
I just have the worst balance.
Yeah.
To mankind.
better to make it hurt.
All right, well, welcome aboard the Sandia Peak Tramway, everybody. My name is Gerald. I'm going to be your operator here today on the way up. I'm mostly here to answer your questions, comments, and concerns. So if anything at all comes up on the way up, please feel more than free to raise your hand or you can just holler at me. Do my best to help you out, let you know what's going on, or answer your question. Maybe I'll make something up too. That all being said, it's going to take about 15 minutes to get to the top of the mountain way up there. During that travel time, I am going to be talking a little bit about those things, the surrounding area, the geology information of the mountain, as well as pointing out some landmarks and points of interest from the tram. You guys first time on the tram here?
Yes.
Welcome aboard. You guys make a great day to ride. It's Sunday, which means the restaurant is open, taking walk-ins till about 7. Any question?
Well, maybe you can get a drink up there.
And we're going to speed up just a little bit as we pass that parking lot threshold just ahead of us there. We'll travel at about 15 miles an hour as we're making our way up. It's about 2.7 miles of travel distance on each side of the cableway, so it's almost 6 miles of continuous loop.
That's a lot of cable.
That's a lot of steel. It's almost 90 tons of cable.
So where did that cable come from?
It came from Switzerland. It was manufactured. They'll be whizzing right by. We're probably a little more empty than them, so they might be a little more jealous.
Oh yeah, they look like that.
And we are attached to them on the same center haul rope and counter haul rope, so as they slow down for that tower, we're going to slow down with them over this big canyon here.
What are the red things?
Oh, that's great. So those are slack carriers, is what they're called. And they sort of sit on top of the 2 outside ropes, which are called the track ropes. And they hold up the center haul rope so the catenary doesn't get too big. There's 17 of them on each side of the cableway. And so just as we're traveling, they catch the slack and hold up the center wire.
So you stand up there, that's where we're going?
Okay, how far down is it right here?
That's a great question. It's actually the highest point. So while we're slowed down, it's about 968 feet to the canyon floor. You can almost squeeze the Eiffel Tower or the Empire State Building right underneath the tram right there.
Oh, wow.
I assume with the wing, it's really gets good.
Yeah, it can blow you around a little bit, yeah. But it's not as much as you maybe think it'd be. But we get to about 10 degrees swing with an empty cabin.
I remember there being a lot more deciduous trees, but now it's just like a...
Yeah, it's sort of filled in.
With the conifers.
Yeah. But you can tell which one you know because there's so much greener, especially this year. I know, but we've been watching these ones die up here too. It's a bummer, but we think it's a water cutoff thing, like a rock fall happened. Sometimes one of our guys is hiking up there.
I don't think it's
about 75, 80 degrees up there right now. I didn't check it when I was up there last.
That might still give me real pressure when I'm coming.
In this section we're going over now, this is home to the only year-round running source of water on the entire western side of this mountain, here in Echo Canyon. It's a little creek that goes through that really dense forest right below us. Some of those big spruce trees are about 120 feet tall down there. Because of that water source on these oak brush covered hillsides here. And she knows we're here, don't worry. Yeah, she's waiting for that. That's
Welcome to the top, folks. Please watch your step. Stay hydrated out there. It helps with the altitude. Watch for sunburn. Light down, 9:15 to 9:30.
10:15 to 9:30.
Watch your step and take your time. Yeah.
Am I blocking the sun or am I keeping you from
Pick
getting
something up.
my cell phone?